Vector layers are extremely useful when you want to have the ability to turn off specific vectors from view or machine to a specific layer without the need to select the vectors. In this example, I have a simple cabinet design which has 4 layers. The default layer, which is empty, the outside vectors, which are coloured green, window, which is coloured orange, and recess, which is a blue colour. I can use the light bulbs on the right to turn the visibility on or off. To create vector layers, you can select the plus symbol next to the light bulbs on the right of the vector layers, or right click on vectors and select new. You can also select the vectors that you wish to move to a new layer. In this case, the outside vectors, right click and select from the dialog to move vectors to. You can then select new layer. This will create a new layer which is called vector layer 2. I can right click on this and rename it to outside. Select the black colour to the left, which will open up a colour palette where I can choose the colour I would like the vectors to be displayed. This will change the colour of the vectors currently in that layer. The same can be done for the window layer and also for the recess layer. All of the vectors will then be associated with specific layers. This is not only useful for designing, but also useful when machining.